Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to reset a series on Disney+. Scroll down until you see continue watching, so that are your series. Click on the title of the series and this will open up this. So go to seasons right here and pick the last season and go all the way down to the last episode. Click on it and without watching it, just pause it and go all the way to the end, like so. And now, as you can see, it will give you this another series, but you can go to see details and then Disney Plus again, and you can see that there is no continue watching section because this has been resetted. You can also watch it again if you want, but it is completely reset. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.